Meaning of immigrant.
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 Immigrant. An immigrant is a person who moves from one country to another permanently or temporarily, typically for work, study, or to join family members. Immigrants often face challenges such as adapting to a new culture, learning a new language, finding employment and housing, and navigating unfamiliar legal systems. Immigration has been a contentious political issue in many countries, with debates over border control, national security, and economic benefits and costs. Despite these challenges, immigrants have contributed significantly to the cultural, social, and economic fabric of their host countries.